Welcome back everybody. So how you can forget your Wi-Fi network in Windows? You can see the Wi-Fi symbol here, okay, in right hand side. Okay, so click this arrow. When you click this arrow, this is the Wi-Fi network. I have Wi-Fi network called versus. Okay, so right click on this network. When you right click on this network, you can see the forget option. Okay, so click on the forget option. Okay, now the network is forgotten. Okay, when you click reconnect, try to reconnect, it asks the password. Okay, so I'll put my password. Okay, so it's reconnecting again. Okay, so that's it for today. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.